Alright, John, here's another one of your 18th scale Ford Explorers. This is an actual Ford Explorer XLT, which you well know since you sent it to me. It is a XLT model, so not an Interceptor this time. It does have police lighting installed, which everyone probably figured. So anyway, and Jennifer, you'll see, maybe you can see a reflection. I don't know. There's a camera. You can't see it. I do not have my sheep shirt on. So if you was expecting to see the sheep shirt with Waldo, Jennifer, too bad. We have, what is this, Diamondback firearms today, so sorry about that. So let's lift this cover off. This customer has these mounted on these IllumiBoxes. If anyone's familiar with them, if you're not, there's a little switch right here, and then there's four little corners, which, no kidding, four little holes in the corners where these little lamp posts stick in and have LEDs on them, and then they kind of illuminate the inside of the box, therefore IllumiBox, to illuminate the model inside. He wanted them mounted to the bases, and to facilitate a battery change, John, which you did the other one too for you. There's your double A's, of course, for the way it comes, and then I added a little cutout right here for the 9-volt battery. I did add a magnet in there. We'll call it rare earth because it sounds more expensive. I think it's actually I've always said neodymium, but anyway, I'm going to get corrected. Like I said, it's pretty embarrassing. 2 years of chemistry and biology and everything else, and I still can't pronounce that word. Anyway, you can see it glued there. It's not going to come out, and you can see that this battery or this magnet is pretty strong. So it may take a little bit of working with to pull it out. Like I said, pop a screwdriver in between the top and pull it out if you need to. But it will come out with some force. But as you can see, it's going to stay in there and not come out. Alright. As for the lighting on this one, it's powered with a 9-volt, obviously, with a power switch here, and then next to that it's a siren. So it's set up exactly like the black Interceptor that we put on the base. Front doors do open. Nothing was done to the interior. I left it alone. You see there are little cup holders in there. I did add a decal to the radio since it was just black plastic. So we'll shut those doors. Your antennas that you asked for, a puck style antenna, and then also a short wire style antenna. It's not too tall. It's about, what, an inch maybe, just a little over an inch. So we got you fixed up on that. Go ahead and turn the switch on. Jennifer, you'll also be happy. I have the true wigwags in this one. Circuit board I build. The taillights and headlights are controlled with that. Triple strobe in the grille. A red and a blue strobe. And then 6 strobes across the windshield. Also triple strobe pattern, and then 2 triple strobe patterns, and then simultaneous flash. Sorry if I sound tired. I am. Flip this around to the back. Again, same setup, alternating or wigwag tail lights, and then 2 strobes in the back window, red and a blue. Again, triple strobe setup. Siren, press the button, goes through the different patterns. I won't bore you with that. So there we have that. So turned out pretty good. Again, I'll get them boxed up and roll out. I guess Monday. I'll just take them to work and ship them out Monday from work. Priority, you should have them. Skip Christmas, Tuesday. You should have them Thursday, I would think. Thursday, Friday, somewhere in that area. So should get out to you fairly quick, 2 to 3 days, I would think. That's usually what they say. So I appreciate it, and I appreciate emails back and forth, getting back to me so we can get the license plates and everything straightened out. I think I did mention the Southpaw license plate on this one, Jazz 4. And I did switch the ones out on your black Interceptor as well. Send pictures of those. So I appreciate it. Thank you very much for your patience, and like I said, you should see these by the end of the week, next week. Thanks again.